Hi airsofters, it's Jim again. This is my indoor target. This is one of my paper targets. I can just slot paper into this one. Nice thing about it is BBs tend to stay in behind this. And I'll show you when I'm finished here. Just check out the M4 again. I'll put it on full auto this time. Here we go, 5 yards back. Single shot. There we are. Beauty of this one is, take the target out. Most of the BBs have gone into the tray behind. Saves an awful lot of crawling about the floor picking them up. And that's, as I say, it's just made from an old roller blind on a couple of frames. Easy enough to construct. And sits on a tray. Collects the BBs, slot targets in. These hold them in place, but the BBs will pass right through that. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye now.